Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Uh, my voice is a bit weird because uh, this entire week I've just been sick and not sick the entire time, so yeah, that's kind of always fun. But today we're gonna be playing Angel Engine, but it's like a demo. An Angel Engine is like an analog horror. That's pretty good, you should watch it. Uh, I'll probably put the links down in the description, or I could be an idiot and forget. But yeah, it's a pretty good analog horror, pretty disturbing. Uh, I'm just gonna tell you the basics of, from what I know of Angel Engine. It's that uh, humanity was on the brink of extinction, and an angel came down and was like, "I'm gonna help y'all." And they were like, "Bet, we're gonna put you in a machine now." And the angel's like, "What?" And so they put the angel into a machine. I also got food here, so I'm gonna be moving the mic a bit. Mm, good food, good food. Oh, let's get into it. Mm. The following video is under level 2 security clearance and you can only be viewed for research training purposes unauthorized. Viewing. I was reading that.
Welcome to Level 2, the most advanced research facility in the world. It's a place where miracles come to life. We have honored you with the opportunity to become our clinical observation intern. Your job will consist of operating on bodies and correcting any defects you may find. Your office has everything you could need as an employee. Your key source of knowledge is your PC. Here you have your mailbox and manuals prepared by experts to guide you through the work. In front of you is your main operating panel. From there, you can use your mechanical arm to locate defects, the tool shifter to change the active tool, and the emergency anesthesia button, among other features. On the left, you can see a display showing which tool you need to use at the moment. Remember to complete operations in the correct order. Finally,
Hmm.
remember to keep track of two things. The first is your patient's sleep. You can monitor the sleep status on the display at the top. When it's low, just use the button located on your desk. The second one is overheating. Behind you, there is a TV screen with CCTV footage on the side. Here, you can monitor your overall overheat status. Make sure to lower it from time to time. We're sure you'll get used to your new work very quickly. That's all, employee. Just remember your three duties. Correct deformities on bodies, be enthusiastic and loyal, ask acceptable questions. Good luck.
Could you repeat all of that? Alright, let's see. So, 1175, not fetch. How do I get out? Uh, let's see. 234. Login. You look like you've just seen a demon. Did I scare you? Yes. Yeah, sorry about that. You're not the first to say so. I'm Elio, the night shift security guard. Nice to see, nice to finally see the new intern face to face. Everything moves so quickly around here. Sometimes people come and go before I even have a chance to meet them. Anyway, I'm sure you'll be alright. I've heard nothing I've heard nothing but good things about you. Look at you, already operating by yourself. Yeah, thank you. Of course, let me know if you want anything from the vending machine. It's the least I can do. I'll be checking in on you, but during each of my rounds, just to see. I mean, you just holler if things go haywire, but I trust you'll make it through without any issues. Godspeed. Alright, uh, let's see. Oh, hold on. Alright, so let's see. Emergency exit. What did I think was gonna happen? Hold on. Oh, good, good. Uh, um, right, why is enter 7? Oh, I see why. Alright, oh, mailbox. Alright, welcome to the Babel 2 Research Center. It's a clinic observed. Fetch. Hmm. How do I get out of here? Alright, manuals, basics. Hmm.
Welcome back, employees. Right in front of you is your main operating panel. When a body arrives, use the mechanical arm to locate the defect. The screen in front of you will show which tool you need to use.
Yeah, I know that.
Use the shifter to switch between active tools. Once you have the appropriate tool selected, press the button to begin the operation. Each tool comes with its own task to complete. After finishing the task, you'll complete the step of the operation. Finish all steps to clear the defect. Remember, if you choose the wrong tool, you'll fail the step, even if you complete the task correctly.
Hmm. Uh, um, hmm. Um, um, hmm. I'm gonna just be pressing random buttons until I get out. Oh, hmm. Oh, I'm sending feedback. Oh, I'm sending feedback. Uh, sure, I'm just trying to play the game, mate. Um, that kicks me out of the game. Uh, operate. Oh, Operation 1. Oh, alright. So I need the saw. Oh, alright. Alright, how do I activate? Ah, I see. Come on. Okay, I... No. How do we do this? Do we gotta get the ball into the hole perfectly? Let's see. I don't understand. What is this music? It means that I'm gonna die. Let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh. I didn't know what I was supposed to do. Alright, alright, Operation 1. So I did not know what to do. Alright, so let's see. We'll do that one later. We'll do the saw though. Uh-oh. Alright. There we go. First try. Alright, I don't know how to do use. Because I got it in the hole. Let's see, what do I gotta do? What did I do? Fluff the hole in some way. What do I do? Alright, what did I do? Oh, this is where I die. Oh. Oh wait, maybe? Ah, oh, they'll fetch. Alright, I see. It's weird. Because like, I don't know what to do on the syringe thing. That's weird. Alright. Saw. The grabby thing. Ooh, fetch. Okay. There you go. Cool, first try. Alright. So now we're on Operation 2. Requires the stem, but I don't know how to use. How do I do use? Oh, but I did that. I did that. Alright. Wait, so what did, oh. Right, how do we exit? Fetch it. Alright, Oh, wait. Oh, I see. First try. Right, now we need the sewing kit. What? Alright, how do we get back? I wanna... Oh, we'll just stick him with another one of these. Fetch. Fetch. Man, don't hire me as a doctor. Fetch. Alright. There we go. Alright, now we need this. Oh, fetch. Whoa. What do I do? Oh, fetch, I'm dead. We'll just give it a shot, I guess. What? Ooh. What do I do about you? Alright. Alright. So I somewhat understand now. Alright, so we need the claw. Fetch. Really intense game of Flappy Bird. And then we need this, which seems like a Death Star laser. Nope. Down. Alright. Fetch. Cool. Alright, that's cool. That's cool. Alright, we need the claw. Oh boy. Yeah. And then we need the saw. Fetch. Take this. Alright, cool. Alright, we need the Death Star laser again. Alright, down, up, fetch. It's like a Helldiver stratagem. Alright, no. Yeah, okay, there we go. I'm too good at this game. Oh, the fetch. Alright, Death Star laser. Yeah. Death Star laser again. Fetch. Alright. Too good. Saw this time, and then the claw. And claw. What? 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 Let me leave. What? Have some of that? Maybe? What do I do? What do I do about you? I'm gonna look at these tapes. Whatever. Manuals. Oh, so I figured out the problem. So we need to look at the overheating thing. Alright, I'm a bit dumb. Okay. Claw. Fetch. And then the syringe. So close. Fetch. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I feel bad. Oh, I feel so bad. Poor dude. Don't worry, dude. We'll fix your lower area. Oh, wow. That must hurt. Oh. Oh, this is gonna hurt a lot. I hope you know. Fetch. Oh, why did they hire me? I ain't good. Fetch. Oh yeah. Now his lower half feels good. I'm gonna real quick make sure. No, we don't want that. No, we don't want How the fetch do I get? How the fetch? No, leave. How do I do? We'll abort operation. Let's see. Alright, so we're not clicking that ever again. Alright, operate 1. Man, I'm so fetching good at this game. I'm still on Operation 1. I'm freaking a master at this. Alright, saw. Fetch. Fetch! Oh, trust me, folks. I'm really good. I'm so fetching good. I'm goodylicious. Alright. Oh. Alright, Death Star laser. Syringe. Extract alien goo out of you. And then, I'm sorry, this is only gonna hurt a lot. And then buzzsaw. Luckily, I haven't had to use the buzzsaw in the sensitive area. I would feel really bad. Gosh, my voice. Alright, cool. By the way, the demo is free if anyone's interested. So, holy fetch. We're gonna real quick exit. How the fetch do I... And where do I go for overheating? Oh, that's what I do. It's like a game of Flappy Fall. I prefer not to. Fetch. Imagine me doing this game two-player. Alright, let me leave. Alright. Hiya. Alright. What? Oh. I'm an idiot. Alright, we start with buzzsaw. Oh yeah, too good at surgery. Fetch. Alright, and then we need the sewing. Haha, too good. Alright, oh, this guy has so much. We're gonna just do this. Fetch. Alright. Buzzsaw. Cool. Syringe. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on, come on. No. Oh, fetch. Wrong thing. Ugh. Fetch me. Yeah, let me go. Alright. Ugh. Why do I do this to myself? Alright. So the jump scares aren't that scary, but that's probably because I watch Markiplier a lot and also I friggin' love horror stuff. So I've become immune. Right, and then Death Star laser. Fetch. 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 see, hold on. Okay. Just make sure that you are staying cool. Alright. No. Alright, Huya. Alright, sewing kit. And buzzsaw. Alright. Sewing. And then one more. Sewing. I don't like those noises. You being good over here? Yeah, you are. Alright. I don't like your face. Reminds me of myself. Alright. Noises are kind of funny. Can you shut up over there? Alright. Fetch. 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 Maybe the Angel Engine is corrupting the Tower of Babel. I mean, they hired me, so clearly. Ooh, fetch. Ooh, fetch. Ooh, fetch. Oh, fetch. Oh, fetch. I have so many things to do, to worry about. Really funny game of Flappy Bird. Let's inject you with another one of the as. Alright, cool. Alright. Really? Oh wait, I freaking cut off his lower half. I'm so sorry, dude. Fetch. Oh, fetch. Take this. Don't worry, man. I would start to wake up if my lower area was freaking buzzsawed to death, freaking removed off of my body. That wouldn't be the greatest thing in the world, but you need to calm down, man. See, it's not on fetch. What is this dubstep? Oh boy, why is there intense music? Fetch. Pardon? Oh, alright, I'm sorry, what? Five, 8, 3, 5, 1. 5, 1. Oh, hey kid, just back from my rounds. Hope you're doing alright. Run into any issues so far? Nothing major, but everything's fine now. Yeah, things can get a little weird around here sometimes. Just focus on your task and don't let anything get to you. What do you mean? Lots of good people have been consumed by this kind of work, you know. Burnout, heart attack, level stress going on. Oh, going off the deep end. I'm just telling you how it is. Everything comes with a sacrifice. We're paving the way for future generations the same way past ones have done for us. But I'd be lying if I said I didn't miss some of my colleagues we honor them by passing their work on to smart young people like you. The uh Genesis, as they say. You're going to be fine. Promise. See you soon. See you again soon. Well, I feel like we can do another operation. Let's just see how bad it can be. Oh. Okay, so not that bad. I take that back. What the fetch? Fetch. Oh. Pardon? We're gonna just inject him. And then we're gonna do this. Ha ha ha. Yes. Oh, oh, I'm running out of air? How the fetch do I do air? How the fetch do I do air? Oh, huh. Let's go around a bit. Huh. Alright, so I'm assuming it's that, but I could be wrong. But that's all I got for today. So, if you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. I do the best I can, uh, and I have really fun times recording videos. So I'll have fun editing them though. But other than that, uh, plans and other things are in the comment section. I mean, not the section, the community page on my channel. And I have other cool videos on uh on my channel. You should definitely check them out. And without further ado, see ya.